Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this comfy TV blanket. It's easy to make and you can make it in 2 days, I think, if you're a starter. Of course, if you're not, if you can just sit and crochet as you like, you can complete it in one day. There's a simple pattern, 2-row repeats, and I made a simple yet good looking border. Hope you like this one too. And for this I use this yarn, Cuddle Ombre yarn. It's a super chunky yarn from Utopia Crafts. And 100 gram is 45 meters. I use 16 balls, 1600 grams. And with this I use a 12 millimeter hook. You can use it as a single bed cover if you like. That's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. We can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch, you will need multiples of 3 plus 2 only one time. For the bigger size, I started with 62 chains. And now I'm gonna make a sample. I made 15 chains and I'm gonna add 2 more. Now turn, skip 2 chains, yarn over, insert into the third chain, grab the yarn, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Don't count these 2 chains as anything, okay? That's our first double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the next chain, make a double. Into the next, make a double, and keep making double crochets till the end. That's the last one. Chain 2, turn. Again, we will not count this chain 2 as anything. Yarn over, and into this first stitch we will make a double crochet. Now we are gonna make front post treble crochets. Yarn over twice. You see this second double crochet post. Insert from right to the left around this double crochet. Grab the yarn, pull through. 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We made our first front post treble, and into this next 2 stitches we will make double crochets. 1, 2 double crochets in a row. Now it's time to make a treble, front post treble. Yarn over twice around the next post, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Make 2 doubles in a row. Yarn over twice, make a front post double crochet. A treble crochet, sorry. 2 doubles, one front post treble, 2 doubles, and that's the last one. You will have one more stitch left. Put a double crochet here. Chain 2, turn into this first stitch, put a double crochet, yarn over twice. Now we will make back post trebles. You see this front post? We are gonna make a back post here. Now insert around the front post treble, grab the yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Important thing is here, since we will turn our project for each row, your stitch will be on the back side of your post. Okay, that's the next stitch, that's the next stitch, and that's the front post treble. So you will not make anything here, don't forget this. Into the next, make a double, one more, yarn over twice, make a back post treble, make 2 double crochets, make a back post treble, two doubles, one, two, and the last one. It seems like there's 2 stitches, but not. This one is our stitch. We are gonna put a double crochet here, chain 2, turn, and starting from here we are gonna repeat these 2 rows. A double, a front post treble, 2 doubles, front post treble. Just repeat these 2 rows as you like. I'm gonna make 1, 2 more rows, and I'm gonna show you how to make the border. I completed back post treble, double crochet, chain 1, turn. That's the right side of our work. I only made a chain, 1 chain into this first stitch, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a single crochet, and we will put 1 single crochet into each stitch. When I'm at the corner, I'm gonna put a single crochet here, chain 2, 1 more single. Oops. Okay, turn. Now we don't have any stitch here, we have double crochets. For each row, for each side double crochet post, we are gonna put 2 single crochets. Now I put the first one for here, for this one, and I'm gonna put the second. Now we will make 2 around this. That's the stitch. You can use the stitch for the first one, and you can insert into the post because it looks better, and make a 1. Use the stitch, insert into the post, 2, 1, 2, and 1. We are going to make the second one into this first chain, then chain 2, insert into the same chain, make 1 more single crochet, and for here we are going to put 1 single crochet into each chain. When you reach to the end into this first chain, you're gonna make the corner a single, 2 chains a single, and make here as I showed you. I'll meet you at the end. Now I made 1 around the post and 1 into this stitch, chain 1, join from this first stitch with a slip stitch. Now chain 1. That's the last row. We are gonna make reverse single crochet or crab stitch. Please follow carefully. At first it could be a little hard to make it, but this yarn will help you. It's easy to work with this yarn. Hold this loop with your finger, insert into the corner. Okay, go back, insert into the corner, grab the yarn, pull through. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now insert into this next stitch. Hold this, insert, grab the yarn, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Into the next, pull through 2. And that's all we are gonna repeat for each stitch. I'm gonna show you the corner too. And into this stitch, that's the last stitch, okay? I will put a reverse single crochet into the corner. I'm gonna put 1, and into this next stitch I'm gonna put 1. Keep repeating this till the end. I use the last stitch. Now I'm gonna insert into the corner, grab the yarn, pull through, and then cut the yarn, hide the tail. That's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.